Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Legal Wish. In this video, I'm going to show you chemistry investigatory project on determine the ions in different toothpaste samples. We are only gonna to analysis to toothpaste. First is Colgate and second is close-up. So let's start our project with the table of content index. After index, make certificate and acknowledgement. Make your project in neat and clean manner. Write a brief introduction about toothpaste. Like toothpaste help us to maintain our oral hygiene. They contain fluorides which makes the enamel surface bacterial resistance, and many more. After that we will mention aim of the project with material and chemical required during experiments. Before starting the procedure, we will first finish the theory part of the project. In this theory, we will write about the identification of acid radicals and basic radicals, which is basically an ion and cation. We will start our procedure with performing the different test for Colgate. First, we will test for an ion, after that cation. After determining the ions present in Colgate, we will perform the same test for close-up and determine the ions present in close-up toothpaste. At last, we will write the result of our experiment on the basis of test we perform. And lastly, we will conclude that Colgate win the competition. You can also write the precautions we should take during experiment, and don't forget to mention bibliography. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.